Hey everyone, this is Frugal Panda here with just a review of my trip to La Jolla, California. La Jolla is a city of about 50,000 people within San Diego, California. It is occupied on three sides by the beach. It has the ocean around like three sides of it. It has about 7 to 8 miles of coastline. Of course, it's the Pacific Ocean. It's a gorgeous area. It's At first when you first get there, you start worrying, depending on what time of day and what day you go on, you're worried about traffic and trying to park because it's a very popular place within the San Diego area. However, after driving around for some time, we found out that there was actually free parking by the beach, and we had no issues parking during this time. So if you're interested in this area, don't be intimidated by parking. Just look around and look for beach parking. It was much easier. We parked the car. As you know, it's San Diego, so the area is beautiful. The weather is awesome. Sunny days, sun for days, basically. And parked the car and went and walked around and found a little restaurant to go eat at. Tons of little eateries everywhere. I had never been to La Jolla. Even as a kid, I'd never been there. So it was a treat going there. We went there and took my son, who's in the Navy in San Diego, there. He had been there numerous times, and we walked around, checked out different places while we waited for his girlfriend, who's also in the Navy, to get off work so she could meet us there. And then we went down to the beach and hung out. And my 13-year-old and them ran around everywhere. And, me, honestly, I took some pictures and some videos, and I sat down and honestly just relaxed. And that was actually just the best thing to do for me. I really enjoy just sitting down and, watching the waves come in and the blue skies. And I understand why people come down there. You'd see people in the park, also the park area around the beach, just sitting down, reading books or just relaxing. I saw a couple of people look like they were doing van life, stuff like that. La Jolla itself is nicknamed, I believe the gem is what they nicknamed this area. And it is a gem. So much to see, so much to do. It's just just walking around. I really enjoyed myself. Diversity in the area, it's a very diverse area. I saw people from all walks of life there, out there enjoying their time and having fun. There's also a lot of ocean activities you can find to do too if you want to also do that. The beach was clean, was not a large homeless population. I may have seen one person at the entire beach that looked like they were actually, homeless, and that was it. Lifeguards on duty all over the place. Like I said, excellent place to go visit to take your family. As a single person, go to check out also, or a couple or whatever. It's just a great little seaside neighborhood. Beautiful houses, I must say. Beautiful houses. The average daily temperature there is around 70 degrees. That's yearly. 70 degrees is the average temperature. Can you believe that? I'm like, wow. I always forget when I go back to California. I'm not from La Jolla or San Diego area, but I always forget how excellent the temperatures are and how great the weather is until I get back to Colorado and there's snow sitting on the ground and it's 10 degrees outside. So I was really thankful to go out there and see the blue skies and just, how it is when you're doing stuff like that. Anyway, do I recommend La Jolla? Oh, yeah, most definitely. Watch your budget, though. As you know, in California, things can get expensive quick. Do really good research in regards to the restaurants or where you want to go for bites to eat, because it can quickly turn into over $100 if you're not careful, but there are still tons of places to go eat. I found a place, for example, down where I was at in Sunset Cliffs, San Diego, a little pizzeria that had excellent pizza. We went in there and, we got 4 slices of pizza for $17, big slices of pizza and a drink. So that was a great deal versus a place I didn't look up or didn't check around about, paid $120 for a meal. Having a good budget for your vacation time, means you can spend money on other things too. Anyway, hope you enjoyed my video in regards to La Jolla, California, and I have recommendations that you definitely go check this out. Just enjoy it. Take a book with you or a Kindle or whatever, just in case you just want to sit on a little park bench and watch the waves in and read a book or whatever you want to do. If you want to go jump out there into the ocean, kind of chilly, but you may want to do that too, or suntan, whatever. Anyway, I appreciate everyone who watches my video, and I thank you for your time you take to check them out. And I hope this helps somebody along the way who's looking to go on vacation, take a trip, possibly relocating.